Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So over here guys, I'm going to be talking about the Avalon airdrop. So literally, Avalon airdrop actually gave out this tweet about a few hours ago saying that their airdrop registration only has 2 days left, and this post was actually made about 20 hours ago, meaning that we literally have about just 1 day before we missed their airdrop. So this is why it is very important that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell on, so that when this type of airdrop opportunity comes out and I post it immediately, you will be the first to know about it and take the necessary action. So literally at the point of making this video, we have just 24 hours left before this airdrop registration end. And right now guys, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to register for the airdrop, what you need to do right now to stay positioned, and also what you need to do to qualify to receive the airdrop. So when I scroll up right now, you can see that Avalon Lab is actually a liquidity hub for Bitcoin, and when you scroll up right now, you can see they are being backed by a lot of people. And when I click on the people that I'm following that are following them as well, you can see that they are being followed by a lot of trusted companies, like you can see Pearl Network, East Blue Core, and a lot of other good and trusted network or projects are following this Avalon Lab, meaning that they are trustworthy and the airdrop is something that we should not miss. So right now, let's go ahead and of course talk about how to position very well for the airdrop. So please, if you don't know about our tone giveaway yet, we actually give out tone to our video viewers. If you're watching our video right now, you want to receive free tone, simply make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and turn the bell icon on, and also make sure that you have liked this video, share this video, and also put a very nice comment in the comment section to stay positioned for the tone giveaway that we run on this channel. So right now, let's proceed with the video. When I come over here right now to my Mrs. browser, a link has already been dropped on the video description. Click on the link to actually copy the link for this airdrop. Come over here to your Mrs. browser, make sure that you have installed MetaMask extension, because we are going to be using it for this airdrop. If you don't know how to do that, check out the video description. I'm going to be pinning a video on the video description where you can learn how to actually add any extension at all to your Mrs. browser. So right now guys, once you have copied the link, you come over here to the search bar, you go ahead and of course paste the link that you have already copied from the video description. Okay, you go ahead and paste the link, then you go ahead and search for it. And right here guys, you can see they are actually requiring us to actually verify if we are human or not. You know how this works. Very simply, you go ahead and verify it right here once it's done loading. And right now, you go ahead and check this box right now, and it's going to be loading up pretty quick, and you can see verification is now successful. So right now guys, we are going to be taken into this website right here. We are going to be taken into it, and right now we need to simply read up the terms and condition. You go ahead and click on this box right here, and you agree to above all terms. Okay, so right now guys, what we need to do here is very simple. And over here guys, you can see they are being backed by a whole lot of top company, a lot. I mean, this project is very amazing, and trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. So what we need to do from here is very simple. Go ahead and click on connect wallet. When you click on connect wallet, you select MetaMask. Okay, so once you select MetaMask, this is going to be popping up your MetaMask wallet, because we have already added the extension. And what I need to do from here is to simply go ahead and approve the connection. I will click on connect right now, and right now my wallet will be connected immediately. So you can see how simple it is. And right now guys, we are now connected. So what do you need to do from here? What you need to do from here is very simple. Simply scroll down. You can see AVL airdrop registration. You can see what they wrote right here. They say something like, as Avalon Lab approach its token generation event, we want to take a moment to thank our incredible users and early supporters, the true Avalonians. Your contribution has been the key. I mean, a lot of things are said right here, but let's go straight to the point. What you need to do from here is simply, this is the first step right here, and the first step actually say that you should tweet about Avalon Lab on X. So right now we go ahead and click on tweets right here. You can see what we have right here. You go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it, this is going to be loading up right now, and you are going to be taken to your Twitter account. So it is very important that you have your Twitter account already logged in on your Mrs. browser or any other browser you are using to participate on airdrop. So right now guys, the tweet is going to be automated, and right now what you need to do is simply click on post. Okay, you click on post, and automatically it is going to be posted for you. And right now guys, you are done with the first step. Okay, so you go back to the website, and over here guys, you can see this one is done. You can see the green check mark, meaning that it is done. Right now we need to fill this up. Okay, right now you are going to require to fill this form right here. For example, this is your connected wallet right here, and of course you need to enter an address to receive your Avalon right here. So right now you need to, before you enter this address, you need to select the chain that you want to receive your airdrop from. Okay, you click on this drop down right here, and once you click on the drop down, you can select any chain of your choice, but I'm going to be selecting Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so by selecting this Binance Smart Chain, I will then go to my Trust wallet, okay, or just my MetaMask wallet, anyone else, but I'm going to be using my Trust wallet because it is way more easier. Okay, so what you need to do for you, simply go ahead to your Trust wallet, but make sure that the wallet you are getting your you are getting the BNB Smart Chain address from is the same as the wallet that you actually connected right here. Do not get it confused. So literally, my MetaMask wallet is the same as my Trust wallet. So even if I get the wallet address from MetaMask, it is still the same thing. Okay, so right now, guys, I will go ahead and to my Trust wallet. Okay guys, so right now guys, I am on my Trust wallet right now. What I need to do from here, because I choose BNB Smart Chain as my own wallet that I want to receive my airdrop from, I need to scroll down until I see the Binance Smart Chain address. Remember, this is my wallet for airdrops. Okay, so this is my wallet for airdrops. So what you need to do to make it very easier and simpler is to simply go ahead right here. You click right here, guys, on this button right here at the top. You click on it, then you need to search for it. You can see this is your BNB Smart Chain address. When you click on it, then you click on receive. Okay, when you click on receive, you can see this is my address. I will go ahead and copy it, then I'll head back to the website. Then right now I need to paste it right here. So when you compare these two wallets right here, you can see that they are literally the same thing. That's why I say that the wallet that you are connecting right here should be the same wallet that you are using for to receive your airdrop. So right now I will click on register. Let's see what we're going to have right here. So you are going to be prompted to actually approve this using your wallet, just like signing a message. You can see signature request. You go ahead and click on confirm to actually assign this signature. And right now, guys, let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, it is very, very simple and way too easy, and you need to do this right now because you are running out of time. I'm going to be posting this video immediately so that a lot of people can see it and actually take the necessary action that is required from them. So this is simply how you need to, what you need to do right now for the Avalon airdrop. We have completely registered for this airdrop, but after registering it from your own end, wait for what's going to be popping up right here to see if there's any action that is required for you to take from here. So this is simply what you need to do to qualify for the Avalon airdrop, and this is simply the update that I have for you right now. Thank you for watching. I believe you liked the video. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and join the Tone giveaway, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Thank you, and of course, do have a lovely day.